Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. In the month of January, I shared a few videos with you guys when I told you that the price line of Litecoin can start a chain reaction of the bullish divergences because it formed the different bullish harmonic move, a smaller one and the bigger than the previous one and the biggest one. And I'll show you all three patterns with you that I shared. And I first shared these patterns with the complete buying and sell targets here at the Patreon, and then I also shared with you in the form of video as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, let me show you these previous charts, and you'll have better idea that where we are standing, because after watching these charts, you will understand that the bullish move of the Litecoin has just begun. This is just a starting, and there is a big bullish move that is still remaining. First of all, I discovered this chart that was, not this one, and this chart that I discovered on 14th of January and shared at the Patreon. You can see this was the private chart, and this was a very big bullish shark move with the Bitcoin pair. And at that time, the price action was completing this final leg. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg here, turned very strong bullish, again moved down, and we had a very, very big rally. And the bigger chart than this one was this bullish butterfly pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And the biggest chart was this bullish bat pattern. Let me show you this butterfly pattern, then we will move to the biggest chart, that is the bullish bat. Okay, at that time the price action was just completing this final leg, and this was a very, very wide potential reversal zone, and we found a very strong support here. Therefore, I told you in my video that I shared in the month of January with you that we have a very strong support here, that therefore it can be the maximum extent of our buying zone. And now after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned bullish from here, hit the sell targets and moved down. And this was the shark pattern that we have just recently watched before this chart. Okay, now let me show you the biggest chart, and that was the big bullish bat pattern. And the price action completed this big bullish bat pattern in the month of January 2021. Even here, the price action entered in this buying zone in the month of May 2020 and moved more down here. Okay, I just explained in my previous videos that first we will have the smallest pattern will be executed, and after that the bigger one, and then at the end of all the executions of the charts, this biggest bat pattern that has been formed on the 2-month chart will start the execution, and then we will observe a very, very big move that can lead the price action even beyond $2,000. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that we have just a bullish spike that has just begun now, and we can expect that now the price action, maybe it will be consolidated at this level, and then we will have a very, very big bullish move. And this is the long-term chart, by the way, 2-month chart. Now let's move to the live daily time frame chart, and we can see that here the price action, when I shared these charts with you guys, at that time the price action in the month of January 2021 was approximately $50, and now you can see that the price action rallied even beyond $400. That is more than 700% gains so far. And after having rejected by this $400 resistance, it has moved down to previous resistance that has been turned into the support. Here we had some rejection first, and the price action moved down here, and after having some rejections and some bounces, the price action has reached at this support that is at $110, and now the price action has finally getting bounced by this support of $110. Now we have the next resistance at 140, then 170, then 230, and then we have the resistance levels at $300 and $400. And while the price action is moving down, it has also formed a down channel here. Let me just show you this down channel more clear on this chart. This is the same daily time frame chart that I have zoomed in, And you can see that the price action is moving very well between the resistance and the support of this down channel, and here it is getting bounced by this channel. If it will be reached here at this resistance that is approximately at $157, and then it can make another attempt for the breakout. And at the same time, while it is moving in this down channel, it has also formed another harmonic bullish reversal pattern like we have previously seen on the weekly time frame chart. It has formed the different bullish reversal patterns. This time it has completed the bullish cipher pattern, and we also have the 25 and 50 simple moving averages on the weekly time frame chart. Sorry, this is not the weekly, this is the 2-week chart. And we have the 25 and 50 simple moving averages in the buying zones. First we have the 25, then we have the 50, and the buying zone starts from $144 and ends up to $91.49. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher, can be from $186 to $286.33. And this buying zone is quite wide. Therefore, for the safer side, in order to minimize the risk, we can also use this 25 simple moving average as our stop loss, and I'm expecting that the price line will not break down this 25 simple moving average, and it can be reversed from here to the upside. And I'm not expecting that the price action will be stopped here in this sell zone. I'm expecting that this time it can also help the price action first to break out this resistance of the channel, and then the price line can also break out this resistance of the $400, and it can start its journey towards the $2,000 again after when the price action will be turned bullish from here, because we still have this very big bullish bad pattern with the Bitcoin pair that is still in process. And we can see that we have first bullish candlestick on the 2-month chart appeared, and now we can expect a series of bullish candlesticks on the long-term chart very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.